Hi, I'm Andy Watts.
Exactly, you're using my mic now. So, you haven't actually talked yet, but you will in a breakout session after the break. But sorry, now I just have to have the right paper in front of me. What you will talk about is we are trying to share knowledge to the rest of the industry to work together to embrace new collaborations between technology and design. And how do we need to think or maybe change our minds in terms of reaching an open approach to new technology and design?
So what I'm going to be talking about is really how we can change the way that we think, as you're talking about. So we all work in architecture and design and engineering businesses, but I think we need to choose where and when we need to compete with one another. Obviously, when it comes to finances and quality of design, that's where we can compete. But when it comes to the technologies that we use to tackle these big issues that we have as industries, that's when we need to be able to collaborate, because otherwise we are all going to be reinventing the wheel in all of our little silos and not actually making progress as an industry.
So true. And the million-dollar questions. In your opinion, how can we reach great collaborations and conversations around these two?
I think there's lots of different ways. A lot of it is around events like this, where we've got quite open forums where we can actually meet and speak with one another. But quite often it's about extending your network, reaching out to everybody. And I think you need to grow those behaviors internally. So you need to make technology and innovation open to everybody within your own organization, not just one team by itself. Once you've got that right, then you can go out to everyone else and say, okay, how can we collaborate? How can we work with you? And how can we basically work together to solve these bigger issues that we have as an industry?
So true. So, and you will all know more about this very soon. So after the break, don't miss. So, but no, you will not be streamed. So no, you will not. So if you have any questions about this, please reach out on the Q&A tab, and we will ask all of those questions to Andy after his session.